What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make easy PayPal money fast with a simple copy and paste method. You heard me right, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis, and hit that notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so really a simple method, you probably have seen it around here, and to get started with, to make a few extra bucks, and you also get them fast into your PayPal account. Keep in mind that you won't get rich with this kind of opportunities, so if you're interested in building a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out the link in my description below here. But we save that for the end. This is a perfect opportunity to get started with and make a few extra bucks while you build your real online business there. With that being said, let's get started. Okay, so the site that we are going to is AdFly. Has been around for many years. You probably have seen it also when you wanted to arrive to a site, and you have seen some AdFly before that. What happens is that it works really simple actually. You register for an account and you start shrinking, and you get paid for every person who visits your URL. The more you place your links, of course, on Facebook, Twitter and more, the more you earn. So when someone wants to advertise, they come to AdFly. They pay actually for having the website shared around the globe actually on many methods and many platforms. And they pay for that, and that's where you can come in. So you actually grab your link there. Let's say, for example, that the end destination is an affiliate URL for a diet program. So before we arrive there, you've probably seen some banners where it says you will see this in 3 seconds, 2, 1, there is a countdown, and you have the opportunity to see the AdFly, and that is where the advertiser comes in, because if someone finds it interesting, he will click on that link, and that is when you make money, of course. So the more you share your link, the more you earn. Pretty obvious, right? So if I have a look at it before, I will show you actually, we'll log in also. But before we do that, let me show you a little bit around here. So you can see that it is safe advertising for the advertiser. It is strictly family safe with no pop-ups. Antivirus and malware servers are scanning the adverts. So this is really good and safe for an advertiser. If you're an advertiser, you pay for real visitors on your website. Our comprehensive fraud filters ensure high quality traffic, and campaign starts at only $5. Now look at this, low minimum payout. So you are required to earn only $5 before you will be paid. So it goes really fast actually to get up to $5, and you can get paid. We can pay all users via their PayPal or Payoneer account. So we have that cleared. And there is a detailed statistics, the API and website scripts. You can see here links clicked today 1,578,000. So really, as I said, this is probably the #1 shrinking link site. So we can have a look at the payout rates also before we sign in. This is the average CPM, which stands for cost per million, for 25th February 2019, and it is today when I'm recording this video. So unique average amount paid per 4,000 visitors, the 24-hour period. You can see here, United States, $27.76 is the highest, okay? Now, if you go to banner advertising, if you have a website with a banner, you definitely don't get so much. The highest is 64 cents. But the pop ads is probably one of the most popular methods that you can make money with. And it is the highest here for United States is actually $15.02, which is not bad at all for just copy and paste links here. Nothing more or nothing less actually. Really simple. So let me just log in here and show you around. And this is how it looks when you log into AdFly then. So I actually use this, to be honest, in the past, been a few years now, but for some niches it works really, really well. You can get dirt cheap traffic, to be honest, so it might be worth to test it as well. I'm not sure about what niche you're involved in, but definitely worth a try. So this is how actually it looks. So if I just grab that link, I can shorten it and shrink it here. I can create a campaign if I wanted to drive traffic, where you can choose the countries, and you can see the prices here. Romania, $2 for example, and you decide how many K you want to purchase actually. You can get a worldwide deal, traffic from all over the world, or if you want some proxy traffic for some reason, you can do that also. And the next tab here, let's see, at the top we have the wallet. This is the wallet. The referrals, and this is also a nice way, 20% earnings for life. So when you have signed up through my link, I will leave you my referral link here. You can actually get 20% for the other people that sign up under you. So this is really a nice way to make some passive income actually. So refer them to AdFly and earn 5% commissions on every advertising order they make. So that is also a nice way to make money. So you make money actually both if you refer other people who is going to use the service, or as an advertiser as well. And there is a forum and support. We can have a look at the knowledge base a little quick here. So it is as a publisher we are interested in here today. What is AdFly? Well, I have already explained. It is a URL shortener that rewards the publisher of the shortened links by offering 50% of the advertising revenue. So that is cool. You get 50% actually. Our members fall into two different categories, publishers and advertisers. Pretty much exactly as I have explained earlier here, so no need to read through it, okay? How much can I earn? This all depends, pretty obvious, on how many people clicks on your links. Earning potential is limitless actually. So the more they click on your link, the more you earn. Okay, and you have the referral program, which pays 20% of all your referral earnings for life. How cool is that? All right, AdFly, as I said, I will link the link in the description below here. You can have a look at the rest if you want to have a look in more details here. You just go to the knowledge base actually. Now, keep in mind, as I said, you won't get rich with this kind of opportunities. So if you're interested in building a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out the link in my description below here. Alright, if you got some value out of this video, I really appreciate if you hit the like button below. Don't leave yet. You find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine, both are related to make money online and work from home opportunities. And you also find another cool make money online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon.